Rainbow Hands!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Let's draw, paint, and have fun together. Today, we're going to draw a rainbow heart. First, let's draw the outline of a heart. Next, make the lines thicker so our heart looks nice and bold. Now, draw some lines inside the heart to make little sections, just like rainbow layers. Time to color! Let's start with red. It looks just like a delicious apple. Next is orange, like a juicy orange fruit. Then yellow, bright and happy like the sunshine. Now green, fresh like the leaves on a tree. Next, blue, cool and calm like the sky. Then purple, pretty like sweet grapes. After that, let's add pink, soft and lovely like cotton candy. And finally, another red, warm and lovely like a heart full of love. Now we're all done. Look at our beautiful rainbow heart. It's full of color, love, and happiness. You did amazing today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends.